Well, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to MX24's Event Guide, your sure plug to events happening in and around the city. Guess what? The last time I sat here with Fifi Coleman talking about I Told You So. They went round the country, yes. And now they're back to Accra. They are rerunning or they are restaging I Told You So at the National Theatre of Ghana on the 1st of May 2026. Now, in studio with me is Oluway. If you watch TikTok or if you are regular on TikTok, you know who Oluway is. So, Oluway is a part of the cast of I Told You So. Oluway, bichawo. Now, I will come on today.
Now pull me over, Papa.
Okay, so I Told You So.
Okay,
happening on the 1st of May. Tell us about it.
All right, so I Told You So is happening on the 1st of May, just as you said. And then it is running 2 shows for one night only. That is 4 p.m. and then 8 p.m. Now, come meet your favorite cast. Uncle Ken Fiati, we have Uncle Fred Amugi. I prefer adding the uncle to it because growing up, I was watching these people, yes. Auntie Mina, Otu, talking of Fifi Coleman himself, Clemento Suarez, and then a lot. Dickness Abokuma, Mayor Sokao. Yeah, so I Told You So is happening on 1st of May, just as we said. And then the ticket goes for a cool 200 Ghana cedis for regular, and then 300 Ghana cedis for VIP. Now there's a combo ticket.
Okay.
The combo happens to be if you want to watch I Told You So and then Mother's Tears, which is also happening on the 7th, 8th, and then 9th of May. If you want to watch both, you just go for the combo ticket and it goes for a cool 300 cedis.
Oh, and now for Papa.
So this 1st May and then 7th, 8th, 9th to Mother's Day, you get it. So just go for the ticket and then enjoy yourself.
Can you tell us a bit about Mother's Tears?
Okay, Mother's Tears, it's a poignant drama. When you say something is poignant, talking about emotions, about a woman whose husband goes in to marry the girlfriend of her son.
Ah, wait.
Yes.
So, I'm your mother. You are my son.
Yes.
Your girlfriend.
Then
your father has...
That is it. So I just don't want to talk much about the drama. It is filled with emotions, with actions, with laughter, like a whole lot.
Wow. And that is happening on 7th, 8th, and 9th of May.
Good.
And I Told You So is happening on the 1st of May.
That is the Workers' Day.
Don't get confused. There's a combo ticket for I Told You So and Mother's Tears.
Yes.
I Told You So is 1st of May. Mother's Tears is 7th, 8th, and 9th of May. So you can get the 2 tickets for 300 cedis. 300 cedis. But the 300
But if you
cedis,
want to watch just I Told You So, that is 200 cedis for a ticket.
200 cedis, okay.
And then 300 for VIP. Same for the Mother's Tears. If you want to watch Mother's Tears alone, 200 cedis for regular and 300 for VIP.
Oh, okay. Calculations. If you check your pocket and the 2, you want to watch that, so just release 300 cedis. But hey, it makes sense, oh.
You know, right?
They
are to say who.
Okay, so in case you missed I Told You So, here's a snippet of the past runs they have had, and I'll be back with you to talk more about I Told You So and Mother's Tears.
In this scene, if you're part of them, you are back. You sit down, ban is coming down.
Mami Jinahi, Mushamuha, Masawa.
Where home, I mean, Maba, Brema, Obeka, so Papa, say, Nisika. What's the year double with Vietino? And can you pump one cheap man? One enemy, one match was street to do.
And then Diaso, now,
when you that graphic as that, you know.
Better is sweet. I mean,
Obane wofe pepepe no wa dwempa pepepe nua meso me wofe adwempa so de ye obi pa.
Are you doubting my love for you?
Oh no, I need providence.
So now you've seen the two. There's Mother's Tears, there's I Told You So. I've personally watched I Told You So. If you don't watch it, I'll tell you I told you so. You have missed something big. Fifi Coleman Productions is currently, I can say currently, is one of the best production houses you can ever ask for. They are giving us a back-to-back, hot. So, Oluway, do you have any other thing you want to share with us in case we are missing something?
So, with I Told You So, for instance, for tomorrow,
For 1st
4
May.
p.m.
For 1st May.
For 1st May, sorry, I just said tomorrow. For 1st May, it's 4 p.m. and then 8 p.m. Now, you need not miss it.
At all.
Because this time around, we've added more sugar to it.
Hey, Afo Papa.
You see, the first one you watched, it was beautiful. This one is going to be most beautiful because we've added more sugar to it. So you need not miss this one.
At all.
Even if you've gotten the chance to watch it earlier, please come and watch this one too.
Definitely. You
Yes,
definitely
together with the
need to
Mother's
watch it
Tears.
again.
And then it's something that Mother's Tears, it is also happening on Mother's Day.
Yeah.
So
Bring mommy.
I would love it if the mothers come round and then watch this particular play.
Yeah.
Ending in tragedy, sorry.
Hey.
It ends with tragedy.
Oh, some of
So
us will
you get
cry.
it. Yes, we
Our
want
eyes are
we
not
want
strong
people
like
to
that.
know how mothers are suffering. Yes. A mother suffers, keeps quiet all this while, and then she still loves you even when you are still going wayward. That is the love of a mother, you get it. So
Example
Mother's
is
Tears.
Oluway and
Madam
Yabokuma with
Hamodan.
Abeoku.
You get it.
With Abeoku. Anyways, now the short code for the various tickets for Mother's Tears is *920 *60 hash. *920 *60 hash. That is 200 CDs regular, 300 CDs VIP.
Sure.
Now, if you want for I Told You So, that is the same
The same
*920 *60 hash. I mean, if you dial it, it will come down for you to select which one you want. I Told You So or Mother's Tears.
If you want the combo too.
Yeah. If you want the combo too, you get it. I would suggest you go for the combo. Watch the two. In the end, see, let's do the mathematics. Regular 200, combo 300. It means regular now becomes 150. Get a picture. So now, just carry your phone. What? Don't let me talk. Take the phone. Let's dial it together. Have you dialed it? *920 *60 hash. Again, *920 *60 hash. Now go ahead and choose the combo package. Thank you so much, Oluway, for joining me today. My name is Afinuna. I'm your special event curator. Now, guess what? If you want your event amplified on our platforms, do reach out to us on WhatsApp via 059 888 9441. 059 888 9441. Also, just go to our website, MX24.event, and glance through and pick the event you want to be attending. You can get tickets on our website as well. Or if you go to our website, it will redirect you to the right place to get your ticket. Like I said, my name is Afinuna. I'm your special event curator. See you at your next event.